Failing to secure the estate's personal problem. Could that be a mistake? Let's talk about that. If you have joined us from video number 4, which was all about probate timeline and what attorneys do for you in the probate process and what they don't do for you, then welcome. If you just stumbled up on this video series, it's a video series of 7 mistakes that people make during the probate process, then you can go check out that video right here. We also have a free ebook that you can download, so look in the description for that link. And before we dive into this topic, which is failing to secure the personal property, I am not a CPA, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not an attorney. I am a real estate agent who specializes in probate. So let's dive in on how you can potentially secure that personal property. As a personal representative for the estate, you have a fiduciary duty to secure the assets for the estate. That includes the real estate and the personal property. You need to make sure that it is secure because you're acting on the best interest of the estate and the heirs or the beneficiary who are going to inherit the funds from the estate. Step 1 is to take inventory. And a really good way to go in and take inventory is right after your loved one has died. Go in and video the entire house, including all the belongings. This may require you to open up drawers. This will be helpful in the future when you are starting to tally everything for an inventory sheet. You will also know if things grew legs and walked off, because sometimes family members get to be funny when someone passes away, and even though if there's a will or there's not a will involved, they may think that the person who died, they were going to give me this item. And technically, nobody is supposed to do anything with the personal property until you have the appropriate paperwork. And technically that is your letters of administration, or if you have a will, your letters of testamentary. Once you have those things, then you can start dispersing of the personal property. Number 2, I would change the locks immediately. You do not know who has keys. Neighbors could have keys, friends could have keys, family members could have keys. You want to make sure that that property is locked down. And because the house is vacant in Georgia, you also may want to put a no trespassing sign on there. Because if you have a no trespassing sign on there and you find someone is trespassing, then that allows for the police to come in and get them out of that home. If you are unaware of the value of the personal items, such as jewelry, maybe stamp collections, coin collections, art, you may want to get with an estate sale person who is very familiar with finding out the value on these things. They can very quickly help you appraise, organize, and help you sell those things so that you can, in turn, get that cash in to the estate account. If you need any recommendations for locksmiths, estate sale people, let me know. I'll be glad to make that connection, and I can help you with the real estate in the greater Atlanta area. If you're in other parts of Georgia other than the greater Atlanta area, I can make sure you get with a good real estate who specializes in probate. Be sure to go check out video 6 where we're going to talk about leaving the property either uninsured or underinsured. I will see you in the next video. Hope you found this helpful. Bye. Are you digging the kind of content I'm producing? Then be sure to watch this next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be in the know when I release my next video.